Hi all, I thought I'd play another game this morning at 23:50. So I'll play the open Sicilian. Nxd3 here. Right. I wonder if just knight b3 here, and bishop d3. Okay, do I need to keep, avoid this b4? I could throw in a3. Right. Try and get the bishop to g3, I think. I'm trying to support e5. Aha, okay, I'll take that. And now I can maybe play e5 here. Is it that risky? Do I lose control of like diagonal stuff? I could just build up first with rook a e1. I might do that. It just looks a bit more safer. Okay. If I take on c5, I think that's alright. Queen c5, maybe I've got bishop f2. Nothing else, where I can just move my king now. Okay. So I want to take the pawn or the queen. I think pawn to strengthen the centre. If I get in e5 and f5, that would be fun. I'll try e5 here. So if d5, f5. Also, I might have knight e4, if that's not careful. Okay, got knight e4 here actually, if that's any good. That's might be bishop e4, so I'll take first. Let's see. Okay, so the b2 is a bit vulnerable. So if knight e4 we can just take and then win b2. Under rook f2 there's bishop c5. Tricky because of that. But if rook f2 bishop c5, maybe rook f4. Okay. Try this. Rook f2. So maybe it can be useful for doubling on f7. Rook f4 here. So there might be knight a4 as a possibility now. Have I got a potential hack attack with rook h4, queen h5, bishop f4 if h6 is played? I might try for that. But b2's on at the moment. I could play knight d1 to protect b2. I could just let it go. I could play knight e4. And then queen b2, queen h5. I've got any compensation there. I think I might go for that actually. it's like Queen H5, Queen B2, Knight E4, Bishop E4, Rook E4, because I've got the idea of Rook H4 and Bishop F4. Okay. Or even could it be simpler than that? If Queen B2, Rook H4 straight away, H6. No, I'm not really sure. Knight E4 here anyway. It's planned. Okay, I'll take this F knight. At least there's no light square bishop bearing down on G2 at the moment. Is Bishop H4 useful to go to F6? I wonder. Will he stop that straight off? D4 here. D4 worth playing. Rook G4. I think Rook G4. Okay, some dark square weaknesses. Maybe Rook F1 and Rook F4, double up rooks on F7. I seem to have missed an opportunity to have played D4 earlier, because this wouldn't have been such a problem as now. So, okay, anyway, Bishop F4. I guess Queen F2 looks... I'm in real trouble. Is that for a Bishop E3? Rook takes B4, I wonder. In fact, could I have done that just then? Bishop E3 attacking B4. Oh dear. So I'm just barely holding on at the moment. It's probably threatening Queen takes G1. So I think I have to play this anyway, Bishop E3. So attacking Queen, also B4. But no, the rook's protecting at the moment anyway. Ah. That's interesting. So 2 pieces for the Queen. Try and keep an eye on C1. I'll play Qh2. Got to avoid this bishop being pinned. I'm play for D4 actually to stop this usage. If I play D4. Bishop E3. Right. Try and get the ouch. King's in a sort of mating net now. G3. Try and release the king from it. 20 seconds. Bit of a tense game. Hope I'm not being mated. I'll try with this H pawn to try and get some counterplay. Okay. Queen over here. Ouch. I'm not going to end up losing my queen, am I? Actually, hasn't he just lost his bishop, almost? Bishop E7. bishop f6 here. Whoa! Close one. Oh my god. Whew, huge rating. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.